eyes are the windows to the soul. They captivate and mesmerize. With the right makeup, you can enhance their natural beauty, creating endless looks from subtle to dramatic. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering eye makeup can seem daunting, but fear not. With a few simple techniques and tricks, anyone can achieve stunning results. Get ready to unleash your inner makeup artist and make your eyes sparkle. Before diving into eyeshadows and eyeliners, prepping your eyelids is crucial. This step ensures a smooth and flawless makeup application, preventing creasing and smudging. Start by cleansing your eyelids gently to remove any oil or residue. Next, apply an eyeshadow primer. This magical product creates an even base for your eyeshadow, helping it adhere better and last longer. A primer also intensifies the color payoff, making your eyeshadows pop. Gently dab a small amount of primer onto your eyelids and blend it evenly. Now let's address those dark circles. Use a color corrector to neutralize any discoloration under your eyes. Peach or salmon tones work wonders for bluish-purple circles, while yellow tone correctors counteract purple-brown shadows. Apply the corrector sparingly and blend it well for a natural-looking result. Finally, set your primer and corrector with a light dusting of translucent powder. This step further mattifies the area, preventing your makeup from sliding around. Remember, a well-prepped canvas is key to flawless eye makeup that lasts all day long. With your eyelids prepped and ready, it's time for the fun part, applying eyeshadow. For beginners, start with a simple 3-shade look, a light shade for the base, a medium shade for the crease, and a darker shade for the outer corner. Using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, apply the lightest shade all over your eyelid, from your lash line to your brow bone. This acts as your base color and helps to even out the skin tone. Next, pick up the medium shade with a tapered blending brush and sweep it along your crease, starting from the outer corner and blending inwards. This step adds depth and dimension to your eyes. Now, for the finishing touch, dip a small dense brush into the darkest shade and apply it to the outer corner of your eye, creating a subtle V shape. Blend it upwards towards the crease for a soft, smoky effect. Remember to blend, blend, blend. Blending is key to achieving a seamless and professional-looking eyeshadow application. Complete your eye makeup with a few coats of mascara, wiggling the wand from the root to the tip of your lashes for maximum volume and length. Just like every face is unique, so are our eyes. Understanding your eye shape can help you enhance your natural features. For hooded eyes, applying matte eyeshadow above the crease creates more lid space. Almond-shaped eyes suit most styles. Experiment with different eyeliner techniques. For round eyes, extend eyeshadow outwards for an elongated effect. Close-set eyes benefit from light shimmery eyeshadow in the inner corners. These are just suggestions. Experiment and have fun. Having the right tools and products can make all the difference in your eye makeup game. Here are a few essentials to get you started. Invest in good quality eyeshadow brushes, including a fluffy blending brush and a small dense brush. Start with a neutral eyeshadow palette with a range of shades. Experiment with different eyeliner formulas to find what works best for you. Choose a mascara that adds volume, length, and definition to your lashes. Like and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Stay tuned for the next one.